Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Redmi Buds 6S. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just close the charging case. Now we should see it not connected here. And sorry, and after that open the charging case. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So close the charging case, click information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and then open the charging case, press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds, and click on your headphones at the charging list. Device list. Now, and the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold connectional button for at least 10 seconds. And right here at the LED light, we should see 6 fast blinking. Here we go. Now close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Now also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. Now we see it on the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!